Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with Apple Universal Links for authentication flows, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin authorizing with Apple Universal Links, ensure that your app is set up correctly. First, check that you have the proper domain configured for your app's universal links. Navigate to the Apple Developer Portal and select your app's identifiers. Enable the associated domains capability for your app. Add your domain in the specified format by including applinks followed by your domain. Next, create an Apple App Site Association file for your domain. In this file, specify the app's team ID and the app's bundle identifier. Ensure the file is accessible via HTTPS and placed at the root of your domain. Once the file is created, test the accessibility by navigating to the URL in a web browser. In your app, implement the application continue user activity restoration handler method in your app delegate. This method will handle the incoming universal link and extract necessary data. Parse the data from the incoming URL to authenticate the user. Once parsed, integrate your authentication logic to authenticate the user within your app. Make sure to handle any errors gracefully during this process. Test the entire flow by sending universal links to ensure they properly route to your app. Lastly, validate that your app responds correctly to universal links by checking the authentication state. With these steps, you'll be able to successfully implement Apple Universal Links for authentication flows. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.